Welcome along to a new video. Today we are tearing down these two Makita drills that we compared in the previous video. The DTD 155 and the DTD 152. So old drill, more powerful, heavier. Newer drill, a lot lighter, cheaper, but slightly less powerful. So to take these apart, you have to take out all the screws in the clamshell here. As you can see, I forgot one. So let's take the last one out. There's almost the same amount of screws to take apart. I think we can count them. In the old one there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 2 on the back side here as well that you have to take off. On the new one, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So same amount of screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, but there are no screws on the back side. So let's start with the old one and open this one up. After you have taken all of the screws out, all of the screws in the clamshell here, make sure to take this off as well. 2 screws here, normal Phillips head screws, all are equal length and self-tapping, it seems. So just pop this off. This drill is maybe 2 years old now, as you can see. Not much sign of burning or anything like that. And some rubber stuff here. As you can see, this is a brushed motor. And the brushes look fine. A lot of meat left on them. If this will focus perfectly, there we go. So, and when you take the clamshell here off, there's one more screw hiding behind the clamshell. I knew this was here because I had to change the trigger on my last one, actually broke it. So let's get that off. Okay, and I like to start at the bottom to separate it, because you can see now this is loose, so it should go apart pretty easily, I hope. There we go. If it doesn't, I have a small crowbar here because sometimes it hangs at the top here. So let's take this little boy, put it in here and twist slightly like that. Put that to the side. I'll move that away actually. Now it should just be lifting this half up. It might hang somewhere, so okay, let's take a look at this first. Yeah, looks fine. A lot of shit. So here's the hammer mechanism, impact mechanism, trigger. No, it's in neutral, so as you can hear, nice little click there. And there doesn't seem to be any visible burning or anything like that. Some shmoo, that's all it is. This is what broke on my previous one. You can see it's kind of flimsy, so easy to break that. Not sure if we're going to take everything out, but we can pop this out just to see. Do it like that. Pull this out. Oh, here's a lot of shmoo. That's not excellent, is it? Oh, nicely machined, does. I think you have to screw this to hold this in a vise and screw this to get this cap off, because it's all screwed in there, you know. Yeah, that's how that looks. And here's the input shafts. Long, nice input shaft. Of course, this won't spin much now because it's all fucked out of here. So let's put this back in. Let's put this back in there. Gotta twist this a little. This has to go forward actually. Ah, that was my bad. I didn't have it fully seated in there. There we go. I think it's always fun when you take something apart to see if you can get it back together again. That's the. Let's hope I can now. I think I have to hold it here. It's been a while since I've taken one of these apart, so it might take me a minute. Do it like this. Easier. Oh yeah, that's seated now. Should be able to. We'll put it together later. It's not the end of the world. There we go. A little bit further. There we go. There it is. Jesus, I'm kind of nervous there. That was bad. Okay, let's put that one. Let's remove it actually. So let's see how the new one looks inside compared to the old one then. Put this aside for now, and then we can compare them later. Let's see. Same here, start at the bottom, just gently like that. You can see this one is binding here as well. So take something to pry in there, just a small crowbar or the end of a carpet knife, something like that. There we go. So this is the new one. This is really compact inside. They've really used all of the space. As you can see, also detachable wires here. That's nice. You can just plug them off if something goes wrong. This is a brushless motor though, so as you can see, there is a size difference. Also to the hammer section, the new one is a lot smaller. And the trigger is different. Yeah, it's not a loud click here. This trigger is nicer. There's no click. There's a small click, but that's just an engagement click, you know. So let's look at how the hammer section is put together here. This one seems a lot tighter, so I'm not sure if I want to do this actually. But I guess for science, is there any screws? No, that screw goes through there and holds the, so this one doesn't do that. That's nice. You can see the screw that holds the clamshell together goes through the hammer section here. Threads in here. That's nice. Gives it some more rigidity. This one doesn't. Looks interchangeable here as well, the controller or the trigger. That's nice. Just a little clip in. Looks more serviceable, except this though, but you know, the wires are disconnectable, so that's nice. Okay, let's see if we can get this out without breaking it. Oh, that was easy. Oh, there's a tapered shaft on this one. And you can see here as well, it says open and close, so you can open this. And it slinks, actually. We have to thread it the other way, so we have to righty-loosey, lefty-tighty for this. And the input shaft is different, almost looks like a torque bit. It's tapered at the end here. That's nice. Okay. Oh, excusez-moi. Let's get this baby back together. If we can. Did not put that in far enough, did I? Again. There it goes. This was a lot easier getting back together, actually. that's in there. So let's see if the clamshell still fits then. That's the big question, isn't it? You have to watch the little gear selector thingy there when you put it back. I have to twist it a little like that. Oh yeah, like a glove. Okay, let's check if we can get the old one back together. Or if I fucked up, I might have. I fuck up a lot of stuff. I think I fucked up something, so let's see. What did I fuck up? Nothing. Oh yeah. This one isn't all the way in, is it? You live, you learn. Tried twisting this a little. Maybe it was crashing or something. So let's see now. Where are you stopping, monsieur? Once again for the third time. Third time is the charm though, isn't it? It shouldn't be stopping now though. That's the weird part. Nope, everything spins freely. But this one isn't completely seated, so it might be that this is supposed to be that way. Which seemed to have slotted it in a little bit more. So let's see now then. There we go. That did it. I can just squeeze it together back here, put the screw in and wiggle it a little and it'll go. So, nice. So tell me what you think about difference, or someone is an electrical engineer, please tell me which one is better from your point of view. Anyways, I prefer the old one to the new one just because of the power. So, but this is perfectly fine as well. So have a good evening, guys and ladies, of course.